the internet is full of noise. Full of noise. And you're making the noise, the signal to noise ratio, 20% signal, 80% noise. So then what feeds you is noise. Because the signal gets less attention than the noise. Notice, when you turn on the internet, very few people talk about hell. Very few people talk about sanctification. Very few people talk about sin. Because these are the signals that you need to be aware of so you can make it to heaven. But the noise is, it's your season. I'm about to be blessed. Mystical theology that has no biblical premise. Do you know you can live now with white noise to make you more comfortable? There's nothing to be said in it. There's no education. There's no impartation. It's just noise to cause you to sleep. And the devil is using the same concept in the spirit realm. He's bringing spiritual noise so you can miss the signal. So I have to know that the balance, because if I can't appreciate what you bring to the table, it's noise. You know, you playing the saxophone, you playing the organ and drums and keyboard, Dave playing the guitar, and all this is going on. And if I don't understand what your contribution is, it's just noise. Cut all that racket. No, it's racket to the ignorant ear. Because there's some songs and some music that you can play, demons had to change their mind coming this way. I can show you in the Bible, but I don't have time today. I can show you in the Bible where they played so till demons backed up. As a matter of fact, David's first job was not Goliath. It was to be a demon chaser in his praise and worship. As a matter of fact, when the king Saul was struggling with demons and devils and couldn't sleep, they brought the psalmist in. David came and played till demons left. That's the kind of anointing I want. That when the noise is louder, the signal is louder than the noise, and demons got to back up.